Welcome children, Sairam. Let's continue chapter 1, sets. Set A is equal to set of all x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Now state whether it is empty set or singleton set. Justify your answer. So what you are going to do? Solve the equation. And when you solve the equation, the answer is 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. So 3x is equal to negative 1 will go to the other side of the equality. So it will become plus 1. 3x is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 1. It means when we write this set A in listing method, the answer will be set A is equal to 1. So now you have to state whether it is empty set or singleton set. It is singleton set. Right, as it is having single element in it, so it is singleton set. Let's recall the types of sets we have studied in previous session. Singleton set, that is a set having single element in it. Empty set or null set, there is not a single element. Finite set, that is set having limited elements and which are countable. Like you can take the natural numbers from 1 to 10. And infinite set, that is the elements of the set are unlimited and uncountable. Like set of natural numbers. And we have also studied about the equal sets. Equal sets when two sets are given. And for example, set A, set B. Every element of set A is also in set B. Then we say that the given two sets are equal set. That all we have done in the previous session. Now these Venn diagrams. Sets can also be represented by using closed figures which are known as Venn diagrams. You can draw any closed figure. Now here set A is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this can be shown by Venn diagram. So you can draw any closed figure like circle or the given shape. Write that element in it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write name of the set. And these Venn diagrams also help us to understand the relationship between the sets and solve sums based on sets. Now these are the new concepts. Subset. As the name indicates, subset is a part of the given set. Like if A and B are two given sets and every element of set B is also an element of set A, then B is a subset of A. So two sets are given A and B, and every element of set B is also an element of set A, then B is subset of A. And symbolically how it is written? B, and it is like U, but U towards the right side. See the direction how it is, and line below it, subset A. And how it is read as B is a subset of A or B subset A. Why B subset A? Because every element of B is also an element of A. Here's an example. Set A having the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And B is 2, 4, 6, 8. Now you check. Every element of set B is also an element of set A. 2, 4, 6, 8. They are there. So we can say B is subset of A. And symbolically the subset symbol. But if you check all elements, every element of A is in B? No. So A is not subset of B in this example. So every element of B is also an element of A, that is subset. As the name says, subpart, subset. Now when we represent this by Venn diagram, you have to draw like two circles of the different sides or the two close figures. In that you write first one. For example, set B. The elements of set B 2, 4, 6, 8. And that is inside the set A. And see this. The elements of A 1, 3, 7, 5 which are not in B. So B is inside the set A. While drawing also we have shown the closed figure which is B inside the set A. So this is the representation by Venn diagram. Now here we have to remember some things. every set is a subset of itself. For example, set A is subset of set A. Every set is subset. Empty set is a subset of every set. If A is equal to B, it means both the sets are equal sets. Then we can say A is subset of B and B is subset of A. So these things we have to keep in mind. Now this is new thing, universal set. As the name indicates, universal. It is a bigger set which will accommodate all the given sets under consideration, which in general is known as universal set. And the universal set is represented by capital U. How we write in print? Capital U is universal set. It is a bigger set which will accommodate all the given sets under consideration. And when we want to represent universal set by Venn diagram, we have to draw a rectangle for universal set. Here's an example. For example, we are taking all the students in school who play cricket. That is our universal set. And we want to select a team of the cricket players. So from where we will select all the students in school who play cricket. So that is our universal set. From that only we will check take the team of the best ones. And that will be the team of cricket players. So that is universal set represented by rectangle. Now complement of a set. Suppose we say U is universal set, and if set B is subset of U, then the set of all elements in U which are not in set B is called the complement of B, and it is denoted by, and how we write, capital B apostrophe, single apostrophe, like capital B dash or B raised to C, small c, and is read as complement of B. And here complement set means always it is in consideration of universal set, that is U. And we have taken one example, that is B is subset of U. So all elements of B are in U, but in universal sets all elements are not in B. It means there must be some elements. So those elements will form a set which is known as complement of B. And how we will show it using the set builder form? B complement is a set of all x such that x is an element of U, universal set, and x is not an element of B, set B. So B complement of B is also set, all x such that x is an element of universal set, but x is not an element of B, that is complement of a set. And here also we have to remember, here's an example. For example, universal set. We have taken the numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here is one set A. And having the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Like we can say even numbers of the given set. Now, a complement of A. Which elements we will take? Which are not in A. And they are element of universal set. So, which are those? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So they are complement of A. Now if we have to find the complement of a complement set, now what we have to do here, again you have to see the complement set and in consideration universal set which are not in the complement set. Now which elements are not there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now you see set A and complement of complement set. Both are having the same elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It means they are equal sets. They are having same elements. That is complement of complement set is A. That is complement of a complement set is a given set itself. Now remember, no elements are common in A and complement of A. That thing you have to keep in mind. No elements are common. Set A is subset of universal set. Even complement of set A is also subset of universal set. And complement of set U, that is universal set, is empty set. Because universal set is having all the elements under consideration. So when you find its complement, you will not get any single element. So it will become empty set. Or complement of empty set is universal set under consideration. So these things we have to keep in mind. That is the new things which we have learned: subset, universal set, complement of set. Let's start with Practice set 1.3. First question is, if A is equal to, that is set A is equal to A, B, C, D, E. Set B is equal to C, D, E, F. C is equal to B, D. And set D is equal to A, E. So all these sets are given. Then which of the following statements are true and which are false? In that first one is, C is subset of B. So see the elements of C, which are they? B and D. Elements of set B, C, D, E, F. Now is C the subset of B? You have to check the elements are there. Now in set C we are having B and D, but set B is having D, not B. It means it is false. And the reason, every element of set C is not in set B. The reason is this. So if reason is asked or it is asked justify, we should mention. Otherwise, if they are asking just state which are true or false, so it is a false. Next is, A is subset of D. Now check the elements of A. A, B, C, D, E. And check the elements of D, A and E. So every element of A is in D? No. So A is not subset. So the given here it is false. Next question. D subset of B. Now check the elements of D, which are they? A and E. And in set B, are all the elements of D in B? No. If you check properly B, you are having E, but A is not there. It means D subset of B? No, false. Because every element should be also an element of that given set. Next is, D subset of A. D is having elements A and E. And are all these elements in A? Yes. So this is true. And the reason is, every element of set D is also an element of set A. So we have to decide whether it's true or false seeing these elements. Now here next is, take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as universal set and show set X and Y using Venn diagram. So we have to take the natural numbers. We can list also and write, that is elements, that is of natural numbers 1 to 20. And we have to show set X and Y using Venn diagrams. Set X is the set of all X, such that X is an element of N. When we say N, natural numbers, and X is greater than 7 and less than 15. So already they have mentioned which universal set. We will take the numbers from 1 to 20. Now X is greater than 7. So which numbers are greater than 7? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have to write up to 14 because it is mentioned there the condition. It should be less than 15. So when we have to represent it, Venn diagram, show the closed figure, draw the closed figure and show the elements in it. Next, set Y is a set of all Y, such that Y is an element of N, that is natural numbers. Y is prime number from 1 to 20. Now we have to take prime numbers. So draw closed figure, name the set Y. Now 1 is neither prime nor composite. So we can take 1, no. 2 is prime, yes. So write in that 2. And 2 is the only even prime number. 3 prime number. 4 no, we will not take. 5. And as 2 is the only prime number, even prime number, other prime even numbers no. Then 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, up to 19, because it is mentioned the condition prime numbers from 1 to 20. And if you want, you can first list it also, like set Y is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. After listing, you can draw the Venn diagram. So this is the representation by Venn diagram. Next question is, U, that is universal set, is equal to 1 to 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the elements of universal set. Set P is equal to 1, 3, 7, 10. Then we have to show the sets U, that is universal set, P, that is a set P, and complement of P by Venn diagram. Now when we have to show by Venn diagram for universal set, we use the rectangle. So draw a rectangular figure. Write the U universal set. In that, set P is 1, 3, 7, 10. So inside that universal set, draw a circle, another closed figure. Name the set P and write its elements 1, 3, 7, 10. And now which are the other elements of universal set? 2, 8, 9, 11, 12. They are nothing but complement of P. Because universal set elements we have taken, P set we have taken 1, 3, 7, 10. So which are not in P is P complements. So that remaining elements of universal set are P complement. So this is the Venn diagram representation of universal set P and complement of P. Also we have to verify here that complement of P is set P. This we have done previously, same way it is. First write the set P. Set P is equal to 1, 3, 7, 10, its elements. And let's number it 1. Now complement of P will be, we have to see the universal set and which elements are not there. So 2, 8, 9, 11, 12. Let's number it 2. Now we have to find complement of P complement. So you have to see P complement and the universal set under consideration, which elements are not there. Which elements are not there? 1, 3, 7, 10. Let's number it 3. Now you observe 1 and 3, statement 1 and 3. And you see they are having the same elements 1, 3, 7, 10. It means both the sets are having same elements, they are equal set. So complement of complement P is set P. So this is the way you have to verify. Now next question. Set A is equal to 1, 3, 2, 7. Then write any 3 subsets of A. Now what is subset? Subset is every element of that subset should be in the given set. So we can take any elements. Here you will get the multiple answers. For example, I have taken set B is equal to, I can take even one element, 1. C is equal to, I have taken 2 elements, 3 and 2. D is equal to 1, 2, 7. E is equal to 1, 3. They all are subsets of the given set A. Because every set of this given, every element of this given sets are A, elements of A. Here you will get multiple answers. Even you can write the 1 in set 3 element, 2, 7 like singleton sets. You can take 2 elements, you can take 3 elements, you can take multiple answers you will be getting. You write any 3 subsets of A. Next is write the subset relation between the sets. P is a set of all residents in Pune. So P is for all residents in Pune. M is a set of all residents in Madhya Pradesh. I is a set of all residents in Indore. B is a set of all residents in India. H is a set of all residents in Maharashtra. Now we have to find subset relation. For that we know that which cities are in which states, and these states are in India. Now P is Pune and Pune is city in Maharashtra. So we can write P is subset of H, because all residents in Pune will be the residents in Maharashtra. So we can write P is subset of H, that is Maharashtra. We can also write P is subset of India, because Pune is in India, Pune is in Maharashtra. So P is subset of B using the subset sign. Similarly, if you see M is a set of all residents in Madhya Pradesh. Now Madhya Pradesh is a state, and this state is in India. So M is subset of B. I is a set of all residents in Indore. Now Indore is a city in Madhya Pradesh. So I is subset of M, we can say Madhya Pradesh. M is not subset of Indore, I, because that is a state. And state is subset of India, that is country. I is subset of M. I is also subset of India because they all are cities and states of India. And similarly, we can take B is subset of B. Every subset is subset of itself. H is the set of all residents in Maharashtra. So when we say all residents in Maharashtra, it means they are in India also. So H is subset of B. Now how you will be getting the answers? P subset of H, that is Maharashtra. P is also subset of India. M, which is Madhya Pradesh, subset of B, set B, that is India. And I, Indore is a city of Madhya Pradesh. So I is subset of M. I is not state of Maharashtra and all, it is of Madhya Pradesh. I is subset of India because Indore is in Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is in India. B is subset of B. Even every subset is subset of itself. And H, that is Maharashtra, is subset of India. So this is the way we have to write the subset relationship. Now, which set can be the universal set for above sets? Now universal set is a bigger set which accommodates all the given sets. So here which is the bigger set? That is India. That is set B. Because all these cities and states are in India. So which we can take the universal set? Set B can be the universal set for above sets. So here we have studied about subset, universal set, complement set. Next part of the exercise will be continued in the next session. Till then, practice the sums given, maintain the book, write in that. Bye. Take care of yourself. Saira.